A spoonful of this before bed will flush intestinal and liver toxins while you sleep. Here is a simple and easy to make mixture that you should consume before bed to flush intestinal and liver toxins while you sleep. For thousands of years, people have been using garlic because of its powerful medicinal properties. It is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and B complex vitamins, and it is rich in minerals like manganese, copper, potassium, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. Garlic is also packed with amino acids, glycosides, and some rare essential trace minerals like germanium, selenium, and tellurium. Moreover, garlic belongs to the group of foods that do not lose any of its medicinal properties with cooking. Health benefits of garlic. Garlic possesses potent antimicrobial properties and can be very beneficial in the treatment of fungi, viruses, intestinal parasites, yeast, and bacteria. Garlic also has powerful antioxidant properties and can boost the immune system and neutralizes the effects of free radicals in the body. By consuming 2 to 3 cloves on a daily basis, you will be able to effectively treat a number of health problems. Anticoagulant. Garlic has the ability to prevent thrombosis. This natural and effective blood thinning method is safer than aspirin, which can lead to stomach bleeding. Cancer prevention. It can reduce the risk of various cancer types, especially colon and stomach cancer, due to its potent anti-cancer properties. Common cold. In order to prevent a cold that is coming, take 2 cloves of garlic. In a case you got a cold, garlic will speed up recovery and relieve congestion. Cholesterol. Garlic juice has the ability to reduce the oxidation of the blood cholesterol and the plaque buildup in arteries, thus significantly reducing the risk of heart diseases. Diabetes. To lower your blood sugar levels, you should take 1 to 2 cloves on a daily basis. Peptic ulcer. Garlic can destroy the bacterial stomach parasite responsible for peptic ulcers. Fungal infections. Raw garlic juice is extremely beneficial in the case of fungal infections, including athlete's foot and ear infections. In order to soothe the itch, just apply the juice on the affected area. Use this potion before you go to bed at night. Directions. Finely chop up 2 cloves of fresh garlic and let it expose to the air for 5 to 6 minutes, because during the chopping it is released to garlic enzyme known as allinase. You should gather the chopped garlic in a spoon and swallow it along with water. During the night, garlic will go through your entire digestive tract, neutralizing all the harmful bacteria, viruses, toxins, and carcinogens before they damage your healthy cells. As we mentioned previously, garlic contains sulfur compounds that will detoxify your liver of blood toxins, lead and various harmful heavy metals. Swallowing the garlic will not cause a garlic breath as long as you don't chew it. In the morning, don't forget to drink a big glass of water. Note: garlic is considered as a powerful medicinal herb. 1 to 2 raw cloves a day is enough to obtain its maximum benefits. For cooking, you can use a little more. Make sure to avoid taking garlic with other anticoagulant drugs because of its blood thinning properties. As we said before, you should avoid taking large quantities of garlic. Even though it rarely occurs, the excessive consumption of garlic can lead to health problems including diarrhea, excessive gas, and anemia.